Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 19th to 23rd of May 2025 on Monday. As Sbu hypes the people up for Pastor Zwane, Nkazimulo wrestles with telling Kunz about Ashley and Tibelo entertain the people in Durban on Tuesday. A stranger's life hangs in the balance, but will their rescue bring joy or sadness on Wednesday? Sbu's desperate effort of finding a guest priest are looking bleak while Mbata pushes hard to kickstart his political career. An old acquaintance freaks immediately out, makes an odd request to Sbu and generously gives to the struggling on this day. Wonya will save the day as Mbata comes face to face with his worst enemy. Wugeja managed to convince Kumbulani to give him another chance, and why is Pefeni ignoring everyone's calls on Friday? Kusa plays a dangerous game with Mbata. Nkunzi lays down the law with Nkazimulo and the Slobo take it upon themselves to enlighten Sbu about his unattained dreams. Well, guys, that's all I have.